Hello friends, myself Rajendra Mahajan presenting my video on Fourier Transform. Let us solve the problem. Evaluate integration from 0 to infinity 1 upon x square plus 9 into x square plus 16 with respect to x by or using Parseval's identity. And to evaluate it by that Parseval's identity, that integration from 0 to infinity 1 upon x square plus 9 into x square plus 16 we can rewrite as integration from 0 to infinity 1 upon 3 square plus x square plus 9 multiplied by another 1 upon x square plus 16 and its integration with respect to x. Then let consider f of x as e raised to minus 3x and g of x another function as e raised to minus 4x. Then Fourier cosine transform fc lambda is equals to 3 upon 3 square plus lambda square and gc of lambda as 4 upon 4 square plus lambda square, a cosine transform. Both are the cosine transform obtained from that f of x and g of x. Then by Parseval's identity, we have 2 by pi integral from 0 to infinity fc lambda into gc lambda d lambda is equals to integration from 0 to infinity f of x into g of x and its integration with respect to x. And substituting values of f of x and g of x, we get 2 by pi integral from 0 to infinity fc lambda means it is 3 upon 3 square plus lambda square multiplied by 4 upon 4 square plus lambda square and its integration with respect to lambda is equals to integral from 0 to infinity substituting values of f of x and g of x, we get e raised to minus 3x into e raised to minus 4x, its integration with respect to x, nothing but integral from 0 to infinity of e raised to minus 3x, adding the power, we get e raised to minus 7x, minus 3 and minus 4, we get minus 7x, and its integration with respect to x is e raised to minus 7x divided by minus 7, limits from 0 to infinity, cancelling that minus sign by changing the limit 1 by 7 outside, e raised to 0 minus e raised to minus infinity, e raised to 0 is 1, e raised to minus infinity is 0, and therefore the value is 1 by 7. And therefore, transferring that 2 by pi to other side, we get integral from 0 to infinity of 1 by 3 square plus lambda square into 4 square plus lambda square, integration with respect to lambda is equals to, or that 4 3 are 12 into 2, we get pi by 24 into 1 by 7. And simplifying that product, we get pi upon 168. 27 into 24 into 7, we get 168 as a answer. Our definite integral does not depend upon the variable, therefore replacing lambda by x, we get x square plus 1 upon x square plus 9, 3 square means, and x square plus 4 square means 16, and its integration with respect to x as pi by 168 as the required answer. Please like my video, share it, as well as subscribe to my channel, and to receive the notification, please press the bell icon.